When I wear trackies, it's time to relax.
When I put on my trackies, I feel good about my fitness routine.
When I wear trackies, it's time to be part of my team.
When I wear trackies, I feel very relaxed. Feeling relaxed and comfortable is important because I have cystic fibrosis.
Many sick kids in hospital have to spend a lot of time in bed and don't get to do what their friends and family are doing. And anytime a kid has to go to hospital, it can sometimes be a scary or traumatic experience.
That's why TLC for Kids is there to help. TLC for Kids provides practical and emotional support to sick kids and their families when and where it's needed most. And they make sure no sick kids fall through the gaps of beneficial health services.
You can help support TLC for Kids by participating in Tracky Dack Day. Wear your trackies on Tracky Dack Day and help support sick children in hospital.
When you wear trackies, make sure it's for the kids on Tracky Dack Day.